Hello, precious people. Happy new month to you all and happy weekend to every one of you. In faith, Enagbai Usamuyi, public known as Divine Faith or Robosa, the talkative lady. God bless every one of you. Today, I want to go straight to the point. I want to talk about celebrities because common people make them. And if you are trying to become a celebrity, common people will also make you. So, follow people with correct mentality, with the right sense. God bless every one of you. But before I continue, God bless you, favor. Thanks for coming. God bless you. Today, before I continue, I want to tell you the meaning of celebrity. Because if you are following them, you follow them carefully, follow them with wisdom, and follow them wisely. God bless every one of you. Thanks for coming. God bless you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. Shinweke, God bless you. Thanks for coming. Okafor, God bless you. Thanks for coming. God bless you. So let me go straight to the very point. God bless you. Celebrity. What is the meaning of celebrity? According to people that go to school that know how to read and write very well, they said celebrity is a person who is well known and get lots of public attention or from other people. Usually, a person become a celebrity from entertainment, such as people who are in movies, people who sing song, and someone who play sports, people who are into sports, or people who know how to write, maybe a popular writer. So that is people they call celebrity. And most of us, but I say every one of us, who want to be like them. We want to do what they do. We want to wear what they wear. We want to talk the way they talk. We want to live in the kind of house they are living. We want to drive the kind of car they are driving. And most of these people, they are not real. They are not real. Some just, let me say, packaging. They are packaging everything. And the most annoying thing of all is because some of them, they are intimidating people. They love to look down on people. They talk to people the way they like. They don't even respect people because they believe they are celebrity and no one can talk to them. And I will say before you arrive, before you come that before you come before you become that popular person, that famous person, the public figure, or you become a celebrity according to you, you were like them, just like them, common man or a common woman, a common boy or a common girl. Sometimes you eat with them, you are the one that dance with them, you people go to club together, you do different kind of things together. But when you become a celebrity, you will ignore them, start intimidate them, start looking down on them. And most of you are living fake life. What you show on social media are not real. They are not real. Some of you are into debt. The car you buy on credit, yeah, the car you have is credit. You are still paying, but you will like to show off. And most people, they're just crying. Oh, this girl just have one head like me, or this girl just have one head like me. He's my head mate, or she's my head mate. Yes, we were artists together. We were doing together. We were composing and recording together. Now this man is blow. This woman, she have everything, and most of these people, they have nothing. Most of them, they are nothing. Out of Nigeria celebrities or Africa celebrity, some of them are rich, but say few of them are rich, and some of them are poor. It is just the pure truth. Few of these people are very rich, and some of them, majority of these celebrity people you call celebrity, they are poor. The clothes they are wearing is on credits. We see everything on social media. The shoe, the quality bag, the quality handbag they want to show to you that you want to kill yourself. It's the credit. Some they even borrow it. Show off. Show off packaging. Above all, these people are made by common people. Dear, if you have film, if people like us, we the common people, if you will refuse to watch the film, you will not say. If you bring that album, maybe you don't sing a song, and if you will refuse to play it, to buy it, you will not sell, because we are the one that made you. So you should respect us and give us honor the way we love to honor you and just respect you. You don't do that on people. You don't talk down on people because you are that famous, popular superstar, a celebrity. Celeb, according to Nigeria, they will say our celeb. No, it is your celeb, not my celeb. Don't say our. Your celeb, not mine. Every one of us have our own favorite celebrity. Okay, I can follow you today and I will see unfollow you tomorrow if I see that what you are doing, it is not right. Or what you are writing, what you are posting, it is not right. I can follow you today and I will see unfollow you tomorrow. That is me for you. So I don't have time to waste with fake people. Okay, I don't have time to waste with packaging people. I don't have time to waste with people that they are not. I don't have time to waste with liars. I don't have time. If I follow you as a superstar, because I want to learn from you. I want to see what you are doing. I want to see what you are posting. Above all, I want to know how you make it. I want to hear your real story, not your fake story. Okay? So celebrity, they are not God. They are normal human beings, just like you and I. Before they arrive that position, people like us, we made them. We are the one that say, oh, that brother is trying, she's very beautiful, he look handsome. That man is just a good actor. That woman, she's a good actress. Oh, I love that song. She knows to sound very well. The song makes sense. We're the one that praise you. We're the one that brought you up. If you are a comedian, when you crack joke and we refuse to laugh, your market will not sell. So respect us. If you crack joke and we refuse to laugh, your market will not sell. If you upload a video and people ignore your video, your market will not sell. So respect the common people. They are the one that made you. Yes, I know most of you, let's say some of you, not most, some of you have connection. You all these politicians, all these big people, top people in Africa, in Nigeria. Yes, they do come to your show, but it is once in a while. Maybe you want to launch your album or you want to do something. They will come to your show once in a while. But people that will be always there for you, people that is there for you 24 hours, 247 are the common people. The people you mock. The one you say, who is she? Who is he? Where this one starts safe? This one, he don't even get respect. You come and meet us, say you cannot pass us. They are the one that made you. Are the one feeding you. Are the one paying your bills. So you respect the common people because they are the one that made you. They made every one of you. Thank God for social media. We can see most of your stupid, useless, senseless activities on social media. So useless, senseless, stupid posts on social media. The way some of you love to fool yourself. We are seeing everything. And the most painful and annoying thing is because these youth, let me say these children, they are learning from you. They want to be like you. They want to dress like you. They want to look beautiful, look good, look handsome like you. And you are fake. You are not real. A goat will give birth to a goat. A lion will give birth to a lion. So if your follower continue learning from you and you refuse to change, remember, you are going to bring out fake stars, fake celebrities. Wọ́n ní people are doing it now. Ayé ń ṣerú ẹjọ́. Eré wọn ni bún wẹ̀ náà. Because you are doing it, they want to do it. Because you are there, they want to be there. And most of them, they don't even know how you got there. That is why I love to watch interview. I love to hear your story. I love to hear all your mistake. I love to hear when you need to cry. I love to hear when you need to smile. I love to hear when you fall and rise again. That is what I love to hear from celebrities. Not your flashing car, your flashing mansion, your suit, your good look, or your chain, your gold, silver, or diamond. They mean not. All those things are nothing to me. Are nothing to me. Even though I commit a poor lack, you are not going to feed me. You are not the one paying my bills. But when I come to your page or I follow you, I love to see that will teach me something about this life. Something that will make me to face the realities of life. Not fake life. Not your extravagant life. But extra. Whatever most of you have today, it is extra. One has is enough. Most of you, you don't even know the meaning of basic life. Most of you don't know the meaning of basic life. No, it is extravagant life. Very extra. Everything about you is extra. The clothes is extra. All the wig is extra. The makeup is extra. The shoe is extra. All the handbag is extra. The car you are driving is extra. Extravagant life. There's nothing like basic life among you people. And tomorrow you will see Africa is bad. Nigeria is bad. Oh, you have oppressor, dear celebrities. You are oppressing us. You are oppressing. Don't have any because no can put food on my table. Of course, you are oppressing. Oh, you are oppressor. No, the same prayer that you will campaign for. The same oppressor that you will campaign for to become the leaders of your country is what you. Nigerian celebrities, African celebrities, you are one of the oppressors, oppressing the common people that made you. They made you, they feed you, they don't pay your bills because you are buying whatever you are showing as an entertainer. We buy everything, we watch everything, we pay for internet to watch this on YouTube. It is not free. So you are one of the oppressor, oppressing us. You are not even, you don't even know how to lead people in the right way. You will collect money and campaign for wrong person. All your followers, they will be very stupid enough to do what you say because they believe in your fake, stupid, useless life. I said it. If you lie, try to bring this very page down again. Or you think you can close my mouth? Sorry, no celebrities, no, any one of you, no one can close my mouth because you people are very stupid. You are useless. When I say finish, I see you now finish. When I say, they say I see you now finish. On social media, I see you now finish. Imagine a celebrity that's supposed to be the best is campaigning. You will campaign for wrong person. You will use your platform. Are you supposed to be educating encouraging, putting your people in Africa and Nigeria. After some months, you will foolishly and stupidly come out and be complaining, we don't have light. Who are you fooling? Keep quiet. Shut up. Oh, all the politicians are bad. You two are bad. Oh, we have a wicked leader. Bros, you two, you are wicked. Sis, you are wicked. You are evil. For campaigning for them. Now, they want the election. They are not leading people in the wrong way. People are crying. You want to come and complain because you want to be more famous and more popular. Make sure you shut up. Good no. Be enwe. Be dake. Keep quiet. Kayate. Keep short. Okay? Keep short. I see you na finish. I see all of you na finish. Two were four. I see you na finish on social media. I pity your followers. I pity every one of you. All the followers of this Nigeria celebrity, all the movie stars, the actors, the singers, the comedians. I pity you all for following such people. They are not human. They are nothing but animal. That's what I call them. They are nothing but animal. I saw you, Nigeria vote. Nigeria decide a whole celebrity that's supposed to be crying, fighting for the people that made you. You are the one campaign. You are the one shouting, crying to vote for social party. What a shame to every one of you. And you will still come show me that are talking about oppressor. Are you not the oppressor? Are you not the heartless and useless and stupid oppressor? Are you the one misleading your followers? Are you not the same person that will collect money for politicians to host them? Just to do advert for them, for people to know their face? You think you can fool someone like us? You think you can fool someone like us? Most of you are worse than Nigerian politicians. Most of you are worse than African politicians. All you want is that biggest mansion where we have swimming pool. All you want is that biggest car. Lamborghini, G-Wagon, Ferrari. They will say, oh, see this bros. I want to be like him. Oh, see this, I want to be like her. Stupid, useless she-goat and he-goats. In the entertainment industry, not all. You know yourself. You think I will be afraid of you? So stop saying rubbish on social media. Stop posting rubbish on social media. Stop being attention seeker. All the drama queens and the drama king. Meshonu, keep quiet. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. We don't have good electricity. We don't have good hospital. Nothing is working. We don't have good education. You are there. Come and show yours, your suits, your gown, your wigs, your human hair, your Brazilian hair, your car, your new house. God punish you. Thunder fire every one of you one by one. We made you. We are the ones. We feed you. We buy all your music or your movie. We are the one buying them. We are the one following you. They are not the one following you. But when it comes to election, for you to support us, that we are crying, we don't have food to eat, you will say collect little money and support them. Waka to every one of you. Waka, make una take 5. God punish you now. Common people are the one that made you, the one that feed you. And tell this one, it is time you celebrity have to declare your income statements. Yeah, we want to know your income. We would love to know how much you are receiving that you will now afford that kind of hotel. We want to know where you got that money from to buy that kind of hotel. Yes. We want to know where you got the money for to buy that kind of house. We want to know your income. Declare your statements to federal government, to any government of your country. Let them know how much you are earning in a year for you to afford that kind of hotel or that kind of house or the kind of car you are driving. You think we are fools? We are not fools. Even the account of your followers are not saved. Most of you, but let me say, some of you are into fraud. You will just acting, I'm an actor, to cover your face. I am a magician. I see you used to cover your face, but you are stealing, defrauding people. Shame upon every one of you. Shame on you all. It is time. We want to know your income. Declare your income statement to Nigeria. Let us know how much you are receiving. Stop deceiving people. So people will commit suicide. Hey, I've been trying and working for more than 20 years. Nothing is working for me. Before you know, he will commit suicide. The person will not die because of what people are showing. People are showing to them on social media. And some of these things are fake. Or where you get the money from is not genuine. And most of you don't even have integrity. You don't even know what they call integrity. Because you're just there in a movie, maybe you look good, you have a beautiful face, you look handsome, people love you, they want to see you. That does not make you a rich man. Listen to me. 1 million viewers, it is not 1 million naira. Because we are not fool. 10 billion viewers, it is not 10 billion naira. We are not fools. Okay? 20 million followers, it is not 20 million naira. We are not fools. Declare your income statements and let us know if the money you are using to buy that cars, all those houses, the hotels, is genuine. Simple thing. Because look at it now. Because one actress, her husband bought a hotel. I don't know where they get the money from. People start living a fake life, showing the hotel that does not belongs to them. Because they see one actress husband, maybe this one just bought a hotel. Most of them, they want to have a hotel. Say they cannot afford it, they will go and knock on that person's hotel and say, this is my hotel. Fake life. Fake life. That is the reason I'm saying, beg Joe, please, all the celebrities have to declare their income statements. Yes. If you really love your country and you love your people and you are ready to be a teacher, you have integrity, tell us where you are getting all those money from. The money you are using to buy the cars or the houses and the hotels. We would love to know where you got that money from. Because people want to be like you. People can steal, they can destroy just to have that kind of hotel. People can kill just to have that kind of house you are showing to them. People can go to jail and come back because they want to drive the kind of car you are driving. Fake celebrities. I am talking to you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm here in Spain. I live in Spain. Trust me, we have celebrities. And they are not showing off. You will never see them campaigning for politicians. No? Okay? You should be ashamed of yourself. I live in Spain. I'm here in Spain. One house is enough for one family, for one celebrities. One house, all the celebrities, one house is enough for you. One house for one celebrity. Celebrity, one house for you. No, you will buy mansion, you will buy duplex, you will buy upstairs, you will buy downstairs, you will buy this, you will buy that. You come and pull in my house, my new house. God that made it. God that did it for me. God that did it for me. I'm not this thing are fake.
because we would love to know where you got that money from. This, you are educating people how to make money, how to become rich, how to become independent on their own, stay on your own. So there's nothing wrong if you choose to declare your income statement for the public. If you can be showing us all these things, all the hotels, the houses and the cars, please declare your statement income. Let us know where you are getting that money from. Most of you are 419 fraud. Fraud. The account of your followers are not saved. The accounts are not saved. Oh, it is endorsement. We want to know how much they give to you, how much they use to endorse you, that can afford that kind of car, that kind of house, and that kind of hotel. We will love to know. Trust me, Africa, they are very interested. They have interest to know. They are very interested of knowing everything about you. This you are showing to us. Nigeria will be very happy if you can be declaring your income statements just for people to know. We would love to know what you have. Okay? And stop making noise. Stop fooling yourself on social media. Stop looking down of common people. Stop intimidating them. They are the one that made you. They made you. They made you. Without them, you are nothing. Without these common people, you are nothing. They made you. They are the one following you. If you have 10 billion followers, 1 million followers, 2 million followers, most of them are common people, just like me. We are the commoner. We are the commoner that need to be respected in the right way. You don't talk to us the way you like. You don't violate our privacy because you are a celebrity, celeb. Do you even know the meaning of celebrity? That's what simply means to celebrate. We are celebrating your good work. We are celebrating your good intention, not your fake life, not your extravagant life, not your intimidation. We celebrate because what you are doing, we love it, we like it, and we appreciate it. That is the reason we are celebrating you. Celebrity means to be celebrated, to be honored in the right ritual, with the right ritual. That is what celebrity means. And listen to me, everyone can become a celebrity. We have local celebrity everywhere. People become famous not because they are only doing the right thing. You can be doing the wrong thing and become famous. That's why we have popular thieves. Yeah, some thieves are celebrities because they are very popular, they are famous, people know them. So bad people will still celebrate them. I told my friend that day, I said to her, if Jesus Christ is still alive today, the man that betrayed him, Judah, if Judah have page on social media, people will follow him. I told you the truth. If Judah Iscariot, the man that betrayed Jesus Christ, if that man is here today and the man is online on social media, he will have many followers. People will follow him. People will say, hey, you too much. Thank you for betraying him. No, man, that man, oh, too much. It's like for miracle. People will still follow. They will still follow him. They will clap for him. So if you have followers, that doesn't mean you are a good person. You can be doing the wrong thing, the very bad thing, the wicked things, and you will still have followers, viewers. People will comment and like you for the wrong thing you are doing, for the bad thing you are doing. So it is not about celebrity. It's about doing what is right. And let us honor you in the right way. We love to celebrate people. We love to celebrate people in the right way. Celebrity is to be celebrated. Okay, you are not God. And most of you, all those newcomers, because I saw most of you, all those 20-something years, 18, 19 years, when you see someone like us following you, my dear, I am not your mate. I am not your mate. I'm very close to 40. So I'm not your mate. If I love your job, I love the way you are interpreting your roles. You are doing well in your movies. Or you love to sing. I love your song. I follow you. I demand for respect, or I will unfollow you. That is made for you. I am not your mate. Because most of you, you have not achieved that celebrity status. Most of you, you just have follower good. You have people that is honoring you, praying for you, celebrating good, but you have not arrived. You have not achieved that celebrity status. Those that achieve celebrity status are called celebrities. Not because you are in a movie. You are not a star yet. You are not a comer, a learner. You just sing one song, maybe one album or two album, you bring two single art, you are not calling yourself a celebrity. No, you have not achieved the status. Those that achieve the status are called celebrity. Not those that song, not those that sung a song or that sang a song that is singing song, singing, yo. No. Those that achieve celebrity status are called celebrity. My dear, achieve it first before you start raising your shoulder. You cannot have one film or one scene or two scenes. I'm not a star. No, you are not a star. You are a learner, a beginner. Waka pass. That's what you are. Please achieve it first, and we will celebrate you. I love to talk to all these people. They are not to take sense. You are there just in one scene, they all show your face. You say one or two things. You are not a celebrity. Who will celebrate you? Faith? Me? No. I don't celebrate that kind of people. Achieve it first. Let us appreciate your work. You are the one who will say, oh, you are trying. Oh, you are just doing good. Oh, you are the best. Oh, we just love you. You can't praise yourself. We will praise you. You can't honor yourself. We will honor you. You can only respect yourself, but you cannot honor yourself. Okay? You can only respect. That's self-respect. You can only give yourself self-respect, but you cannot honor yourself. You are the one that will honor you. Most of the awards people are receiving are bought. You will buy awards. You go and buy awards for people to say, oh, you are the best. Are bought. Ibrahim Shatta, a popular Yoruba movie actor, Ibrahim Shatta, is a good actor. He's a good actor. People love him. People respect him. The man is not doing his job because of an award. He's doing his job, his work, to educate people. He's a good actor. But most of you, all these fake people that is not good in acting, they are not too good in acting. most of you have award that you bought. You are buying the award. Because if they said they should give award to the right people, at least Ibrahim Shatta, Nigeria, Yoruba popular movie actor, we have many awards. Many. If they are giving the award to the right people. But no, you go and buy award. Even today, all these presenters on social media, they are faking the award. They will send money to go and give one person. That one just do what kind of award, and once something I just give it to them. They will come. Hey, yeah, just look at my award. They give me award as the best presenter. They give me award as the best motivational speaker. They give me award as the best blogger. You need to come and see confession last month. The way they were confessing. Because they are buying the award, they will prepare the award by themselves and give it to themselves and come and show it to us that they are giving them the award. Yes, I want to know the best leader of the year, sharp leader of the year. Yeah, it is me. Liars. Fake life. Because most of these things, they learn it from this our superstar. They are learning it from all these stupid, senseless celebrities. They are learning this nonsense from you people. Imagine now, I will just send my money to go and give person to prepare something for me. I will not come. Hey, they give me award. Me. Wetin I wan take the award take do? Wetin I wan take am take do? They give award. Na money. Na money. So let us use our brain. And very careful the way we treat and educate common people. They are learning from you, and what they are learning all the bad things you people are doing. If you are giving an award out to people, I would say give it to the right people. To the right people. You know the truth, and only the truth can set you free if you stand for the truth. Learn how to honor and celebrate the right people. If people are doing well, please just honor them in the right way, because they achieve that status to become a celebrity. They are just there. Ibrahim Shatta, I don't know him, and the man don't even know me, but to me, that man deserves many awards. Many awards, not even only one. The man deserves many awards. He deserves it. He deserves it, but you will not give it to him. We give to those that can buy share on your occasion. Those that can offer big money. Maybe the money now, they will go and borrow it too. Look at that day. Some of the clothes, the dress, the human everything, so people use to go to one event. Maybe they are just giving an award. They bought them on credit. What kind of useless life is that? Because I want to go to some place. Maybe the award now is not even mine. I will not go and buy clothes on credit. Me. God forbid that. I can't try it. I will wear the one, even though it is 50 cents or €1. I will wear the one I have. You people are just educating, showing people your fake life and your stupidity. And you will see bring it to social media. Insta block, we now carry it. This lover will not bring it at all. We will continue to be reading it. Shameless people. You will not do it and hide yourself. You will see bring it out. You go and borrow, buy on credit just to attend. Attend. You did not receive any award, but you want to attend because you want to belong. Must you go? Must you go? Because people are learning from you. People say, as faith, this person not it concerns me because people are learning from you. People are just learning from you. Can you just live a basic life? Can you just live a basic life? After wearing those fake things, the thing you go and borrow, or the one you buy on credit, you come and be intimidating people like us, showing your stupidity, your stupid handbag, quality useless handbag, worth thousands of dollars, fake credit, propose. You for just fake people, fake inner acts, fake. Everything about you is fake. Anyway, I can't really blame you. You are hurting for us. So the one you will hurt in movie, you also bring it to real life. Pretending to be what you cannot be or what you cannot become. Because in movie hurting, you for hurting, just pretending to just show you pretending. I did very well. So you now bring it to real life to us. After the movie, you now bring it to real life for Insta blog and for this lover to be carrying it. And people like us, we love to read it well well. I will read all the full story. God punish every one of you there. So stop looking down on common people. Okay. So let me go to number 2. A celebrity is a very famous person. If you single-handedly save an entire family, see my point, my dear brothers and sisters. You don't want to become a star, to become a movie star or an actor or actress, a singer or a songwriter or a popular writer, to become a celebrity. My dear, if you save your family from bad situation, maybe something happens, somewhere is burning, whatever, anything happen, and you are the hero that saved those people or your family, you are a celebrity because people will honor you, they will respect you, and they will celebrate you. That is what that word stands for, celebrity. If you do something successfully, if you save someone, if you help someone, you help your community, you help your village, you help your country, you help your family, you are the hero. You are the hero. You are the celebrity of that community, celebrity of that family, celebrity of that country, celebrity of that village. So you don't want to become an actor, to become maybe faking to be acting, faking to be singing, faking to be writing, or faking to be playing football or whatever, playing soccer, anything to become a famous person. Whatever you are doing, as you are doing right, can give you the personality of celebrity. Okay, celebrity. It can give you the personality of celebrity. Okay, just just remove your mind from that word celebrity. It is called celebrity. Celebrity means to be celebrated. If people are celebrating you, dear, you are a celebrity. Okay, you are a celebrity. Okay, God bless you all. Remember, if you can save your community, you save your country, you save your village, you save your family from any situation. You are the celebrity, and people will honor you. They will respect you. They will celebrate you. So you don't want to be like them. You don't follow them to be like them. You follow them to learn good things from them. And if they are not doing things in the right way, you unfollow them. They are not saints. They are not saints. Okay? They are not saints. They still have their own shortcomings. No one is perfect. Me too, I am not perfect. But we learn every day to change from our imperfection. But we are not still perfect. Okay? So you don't want to be like them. I want to become a movie star, an actor, an actress, because I want to be a celebrity. No, you can be doing the right thing in your community. You can be doing the right thing in your village. You can be doing the right thing in your country, and you will be the popular, famous celebrity. People are there to honor you, to praise you, to call you hero. If anyone now give likes, good like to Nigeria or to any other country that maybe they don't have good electricity, they are the celebrity of their nation. Celebrity of their nation. If you can give likes, I'm not giving you give electricity 24 hours to Nigeria, to any African country, you will become the celebrity, the most famous, popular, respectable, everything. People will honor you. So you don't want to be like these people because they are just comedians, they are acting, they are singing, they're living fake life. Most of them are tips. Even your account is not safe. The one you use to follow them is not safe because some of them are into Yahoo, into fraud. Yeah, your card, your credit card is not safe. So choose your brain and just be wise. Okay, be wise. I heard people say, when I learn how to speak, people will say, Safety, you have changed. Yes. And I learn how to do it because these people, sometimes you don't want to talk to them, but the way you talk to them, react to them, they will not, next time, they will not near you. There, people you used to advise me, they see me on the road, not Safety, wait, let us talk. They'll be advising. But when I started pouring speech with style, you see, Safety, good morning, sir, they will pass there, they will pass here. Because you cannot come and be advising me with your fake life. You want me to be like you? You say I can't slap you, I can't beat you. I know what to do just to chase you away. So I just hit onions, I hit garlic raw. I'm going out, I hit onions and garlic raw. When they're talking to me, they'll be hearing odor of onions and garlic. And I'll be pouring spit. They will not be shitting themselves. Since then, no one come close to me. Before, people love to embrace me. God. They love to, when they see me, they want to embrace me. They want to hold me. But now, no one is embracing me anymore. So I can't continue to complain. Oh, stop embracing me. I don't like it. Stop hugging me. I don't like it. So I know what to do to change your heart. So if person you are following is not doing right, you know what to do to stop listening to him or her. Unfollow them. Simple thing. African celebrity, Nigerian celebrity, some of them are fake. I say most of them are fake. Fake life, fake suits, credit everywhere. Borrow wear, borrow pose. God punish the devil. So let me continue. A celebrity is a person. A celebrity is a very famous person. If you single-handedly save entire family from a burning building, you become a local celebrity. A celebrity comes directly from the Latin word. Now Latin, according to say celebritatum. Na Latin language. Okay, meaning famous. Is rare to be celebrated, which means to honor something with the proper ritual. Is to honor something with the proper ritual. Okay? By the way, who they even they honor yourself? I be stammerer. Who they honor you? Because you have 10 million followers. Who they honor you? And the love they show that they bust your brain. Oh, you are beautiful. You look good. And that one they make your head they play dada. Eh? Eh? Got that title. Celebrity, public figure, famous. You are not famous until you are doing the right thing. You can be famous in a very wrong way. You can be a thief, a Yahoo Plus, Yahoo person and be famous, people will know you and people will still follow you. I see all of them here. All the people that they call internet fraudster, everything, they have pages. And people are still following them. No, they not easy to make am. Bros, I'm with you. It's not easy. You do am well. They will still follow you. Either you are right or wrong. You will still have followers. So do not allow anyone to be investing you with their fake life. Learn from me. If you cannot slap them, you know what to do. If garlic and onion, who they are talking, you be pouring spit. We start. If they watch my video, know the way I'm talking. We start to pour spit. I know that the guy start this thing. He just dey work well. He tell me that they work. Say what I dey do them, and they do them well. Don't let me dey rest. You dey pour spit, show garlic. You dey pour before you know when they see you next time. Ah, my sister or my brother, good morning, sir. They go pass it. You go pass it because they are very fake. They are the one they will more hug you. More people they say, hey, if I advise you, did I force you? I advise you. I did not force you. You are not a baby. Just imagine you are the one advising me to go and do it. Finally, you say, Faith, did I force you? Next time you cannot advise me. Next time, because you are the one that told me, Sir Faith, do it this way. I people they do and now do it this way, I do a finish now. You see the fire. Now you decide, did I force you? The question is, did I force you? Are you a baby? That's what they will told you. So the next time, the very next time they come to advise you, do like me. Eat garlic, eat onions together, raw one. When they are talking, we pouring spit on them. Because most of them, they are all already finish. Na person when they want cry their body, now they call it waka. Their reputation is already waka. They not get dignity again. Na person when they want destroy, and they call it fine. So the next thing to do is to be eating garlic. I know in Africa, they don't just like they know why you old garlic or onions. They do the somehow for body. When you eat and finish, you carry water, put water for inside your bag. When you see them coming, you just yourself. You talk to the finish. After you don't put water, you push your gum. With the sweet, with the waka they go. When you see them, and also maybe you want the then you open your bag, you see cost for cellophane. That's why you cut them, you put them for here. When you are talking, you are pouring spit. They don't come with spit. You carry water, you reach your mouth, you put sweet or chicken, put that for inside mouth, and the waka. Now so stop listening to public figures, celebrity. They are nothing but evil. Evil, let them be. Evil. That's who they are. Evil. Let them be. God bless you all. 3. People may gain celebrity status as a result of a successful career in a particular field. In other cases, people become celebrity due to media attention. Do you see it? Let me use Bobby Risky. I know people don't like that man. It's a man. The man is not a woman, it's a man. Most people they don't like her. They don't I say it's a man, they don't like him. Good. But I love what the guy is doing. The guy is not fake. It's not fake. It's a popular Nigerian cross dresser. It's not fake. It's a man that choose to be dressing like a woman to gain people attention. From there, he's famous. People know him for what he's doing. It's not fake. So people do that hide themselves and pretend to be saints. I think that man is a boy. The boy. He's not fake. He's real. I am a man that choose to be dressing like a woman, choose to be talking like a woman to get people attention. From there, he's making it. No, I am not advising you to be like Bobby Risky. I'm not telling you that people do different kind of things to get media attention to become a celebrity. And Bobby Risky is one of them. So I'm not advising you to be like Bobby Risky. But I'm not telling you that people are just doing this kind of things So people, they are thieves, they are liars. They will talk one thing, those people will carry it and media, this one, that one, this one, Insta blog, this lover, leader, can you carry on? This one, carry so everybody they carry a blogger because they want to, they don't need that attention to be famous and to be popular. So people do different kind of things to gain celebrity status. So all those people that's into entertainment, behave yourself. Behave yourself. Because your stupidity is just open for ground. Una stupidity, una useless life, just fake life, is just open for ground. And trust me, Africans, they are not happy. Nigerians are not happy. Although they follow you to see your mistake. They follow you to see what next you are going to post so that they can insult you. Yeah? So we have pretty followers. Yeah. We follow people for different kind of reasons. Yes, God don't catch today. Top bring that come here. Then how they post them around. Hey, this one, that one, this one, that one. So we follow you to come to see your stupidity. Not because we love you, not because we like you. The same thing here. Here on my page, people follow me for different kind of reason. Some of them are thieves, some of them are hackers, some of them are here to mock me, some of them are here to laugh at me, some of them are here to praise me, some of them are here to love me, to like me. So people follow me for different kind of for different reasons. The one I know, the one I don't know. That is life for you. That is life for you. So having 10 million followers does not make you the good, let's say, the most good person on earth. Because we follow people to see things. If you see me on your page all the time, I'm checking. I want to see what you are doing, to see what you are posting. I want to see something to say. I'm just waiting for that opportunity that God will catch you. I'm just waiting for you. God will catch you. God don't catch you. Okay? That is life for you. Okay? So today, I'm not here to teach. I'm here to talk. Today, I'm here to talk because I want to talk to some people. Some people have to hear. I know, not all of them, but some will hear it. And they will behave themselves. Okay? They will behave. You have to be. Just all those things you are saying about oppressor. You are the oppressor. You are the one oppressing us. You are oppressing us. You are intimidating us with your fake life. People can't even sleep in the night because they are praying to be like one famous person. Ọ̀rẹ́ pé ọlọ́run o ọba tó ṣe léyìí dákun wá ṣe tèmi gbọ́ àdúrà mi ọlọ́run ọba gbàdúrà mi ọ̀sán náà bọ̀ ọba náà wá ẹnà wọn rí àná wedo wogo meme emani egere bo ni iye mo nweva ọba náà me to wa to ame ohoro ya bo me meri we di moto no ọpọlọ rí àná mi we bo wa yori wona. They are doing fasting and prayer because of your fake things, your stealing things. You are showing to them. And some parents will do that shit here. Go and see your mates. Both of you attend the same school. You were together in the same class. Just go and look at that. She's making it. Caring for a family or for his family. You are here, see, begging me for money. Mommy, what you are seeing are fake. So those you are seeing, they stole it. Or one politician steal the money and use it to endorse them. So comparing your children with these fake people. collect from the right people. All fingers are not equal. I know we see have genuine one. We have them, but they're just very few. We have few genuine one. We have many fake people in entertainment industry. All the actress, or the actor, some of the comedians, all these singers, people that is all these people. Some of them some of them are into fraud. Yeah, they're into yahoo. So stop comparing your children with this kind of people. And people want to be like them. That day I was ashamed of myself. Seeing a presenter that's supposed to be teaching, educating people, claiming to have a fake hotel because you see someone. And she even stupidly used one of these actresses that I will not mention her name, use her husband to give example. Because that one bought a hotel that you don't know where they got the money from. Is that the reason you want to fake something and spoil your name? The hotel, we don't know the source of the source of the money. That's the reason you want to spoil your own name. And you have been using that to give example. A mature lady, mature woman like Aki, you see, came out and mentioned their name. I can't even measure their name because I don't know where they got that money from. Married to an actress or celebrity does not make you a billionaire or a millionaire. Unless you will show us what you are doing and where you got that money from. Then I will believe you. But for now, I don't celebrate such things. And I will never use it to come and educate people. Never. Because married to actor or actress does not make you a millionaire or a billionaire. Make one dey use una brain. Stop comparing yourself with people. Stop trying to be like them. Learn from them. Take the good one they are telling you and leave the bad one with them. Leave it with them. I will never try to be like someone in my life. God forbid me. God forbid. I told people, I am afraid I be stammerer. School I not go. I can't speak English. I cannot come be learning to be speaking in tongues because I want people to be watching my show, viewing me. People say, this girl is try well with me. Speaking. God forbid. I thought the way God allowed me to talk. So that I will talk freely, so that I will not talk freely. It is nature. I will not pray to be like these people. Never in my life. So I will not start taking something. I don't have what they call it iPhone. I don't have iPhone 1, I don't have iPhone 2, I don't have iPhone 3, I don't have iPhone 4. I don't even know what they call iPhone. To me, smartphone is just smartphone. If you laugh, continue laughing. But I just have peace of mind. People will go into depression because they see one iPhone in one celebrity hand. They will be crying, sleeping with different kind of men to achieve that particular iPhone they saw in that person's hand. You don't know where this person got that from. Maybe it's a woman sleeping with politicians or sleeping with all those businessmen, big men, that the one buying everything for her. You don't even know. Maybe it's a man that has one rich sugar mommy that is doing everything for him. You don't even know. So why are you fooling yourself? Why are you trying to kill yourself because of celebrity, fake celebrities. Who, by the way, who na help? You only help few people that be like you. Maybe you want to, maybe you are a comedian. Maybe you want to do show. You will now invite those small boys to come and perform for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes of your show. That does not make you their god. Is that the reason people should continue going to depression, doing unnecessary forcing a prayer just to be like you, because you are showing them what you are not supposed to be showing them. Now I beg all celebrities, show us your income, give us your income statement, and we will believe and appreciate you and love you more, because you people are just real. Prove to all that you are not a thief. Prove to all that you are not one of the oppressors. And just showing your extravagant life on social media. Learn how to live a basic life. It's very simple. Basic life. And stop campaigning for politicians. Stop supporting them. Stop collecting money from their hand as endorsement because you want to preach for them. If you continue, I will continue to be insulting you. Useless celebrity, stupid people. God punish you all. That's what I said. Because Nigerians, they don't have lights. Africans, they are hungry. Hunger virus everywhere. Now you become again 5,000 to one people, 5,000 naira give away, 5,000 naira. God punish your 5,000 naira. Poverty will make them appreciate you. Fuck every one of you. Poverty will make these people to appreciate your 5,000 naira. That cannot feed one family for one day. Because you just want to be up there. You want it to be done. Because if people be like you, if they can be affording to be buying their things, doing their things, no one will respect you. No one will run after you. Selfie. So you like that selfie, auntie, please, bros, please, selfie. You love them to be taking selfie. That is the reason you are campaigning. As you will campaign for bad people to come and be ruling them. And you will still collect money for endorsement to come and give them, take away. Give them 5,000, 100 people, 200 people, 5,000. Give them. People say, thank you, ma. Oh no, I will do better. Thank you. Fuck you. Fuck your 5,000 naira. How much 5,000 naira? People be chatting. And you will not do it though. You will post it on Instagram. Instagram will not post it. Hey, this person he giving away. Who is the winner? The lucky winner. The highest amount we put is 50K for 5 people. Who is the lucky winner? The lucky winner. You see, people will be. People are very stupid. I look at you and I call you stupid people. For very useless. You have all it takes to change things in Africa. You have all it takes to change things in Nigeria. Nigeria celebrities. I will give you an example. When I check some pages, some politician pages, I will sort their followers. Just let me put it. Just let me put it this way, because I'm about to close now. When I saw politicians' pages on social media, I will check their followers, and I will laugh. They have few people following them. When I check celebrities' pages, I will see their followers. I will be there. Christy, what is going on here? I guess politicians have few followers, and Because the change we are looking and searching for is in your hand. The common people, they love you, they believe in you. If you tell them not to go, they will not go. If you tell them not to do with good reason, they will not do it. You have the keys to their hearts. Then why do you choose to join the oppressor to oppress the common people? Why do you choose to join the oppressor to be oppressing the common people? The people that made you, the one that pay your bills, the one that feed you. Why do you choose to join the oppressor to oppress them? And you will still come out and tell us your oppressor. No. You will say you are one of our oppressor. And how we believe you because you are oppressing the common people. With your giveaway of 5,000 naira and poverty, we made them to appreciate you and honor you. Some of them can even come and lick your shoe. It's very painful to see educated people choose to be slave masters in their own country. It's very painful. Dear Nigerian African celebrities, it is painful. You are the key. You have the key to the common people's hearts. You have the key to their salvation. You can save them. Then what are you still waiting for? Why are you complaining fake complaint on social media when you refuse to do the right thing? I told you, any celebrity that complain about electricity, I will insult the person. I don't get to know who you are. I don't get to know how many fake awards you have bought or received. I will insult you. If I see you complain about electricity in Nigeria and Africa, you will receive insult from me. Because you have the capacity, the ability to do things in the right way and you refuse to do it. So keep short and stop complaining. Stop pretending that you love and care for the common people. You don't. If you really do, you will not campaign for bad people. You will say, no, it doesn't matter if we win or lose. I stand for my people. This is what we want. You have the key. The key to change this situation. You have the key to be the real, original celebrity of your nation. Not a movie celebrity or a comedian celebrity. Or maybe you're not a singer celebrity like Tubaba. Yes, Tubaba. I respect him, I love him, but if I see you campaign again for any politician, Deborah, I will disrespect you. Because your own followers, some politicians, they don't even have it. You can afford everything, but we cannot afford everything. We need people like you to support the common people. The interest of common people has to be in your mind. Baba, Two-Face, I love and I respect you very well. You know me, I love to play your song. But if I see you again campaign for any politician, not even only me, people are complaining about you already. We will disrespect you and cross the power of the power of social media. You can choose to block everywhere, and you cannot block everywhere because you are not the owner of social media. See you again campaign for any party. We will disrespect you. We will disregard you. I will let you know that you are a popular singer, not Nigerian celebrity, because you are not save people for bad situation in that Nigeria. You are the celebrity of your songs. The song and the album you bring out. Okay? Of your own personal songs. You are not Nigerian celebrities. Unless you choose to change your way. This also go to AY too. See what's outrage. All of you, all those Nigeria vote and Nigeria decide. We just have 2 years to go. Maybe say a year plus to go. And people are watching. People are watching you. We are watching. Okay? We are watching. We are watching you. We want to know if you will repeat that mistake. That thing you are complaining about social media. We want to know if you will repeat it again. And come and be giving take away. Give away 5,000. God punish your 5,000 naira. You are the key. Most of you have your children in abroad. Your children are living abroad, enjoying the good benefits in abroad. But you will still go back home and perform your stupidity at your music celebrity. Who is celebrating you? Who know you? The person that give Nigeria electricity will become the hero of Nigeria. Yes. Any man or woman that do all his best or her best to give Nigeria good electricity will be the hero, the real celebrity of that country. My dear, you people, you have opportunity. Most people have talent. They are more talented than you. It is your opportunity. They don't have opportunity. We don't have the opportunity. And some footballers too, Nigeria super ego. Any one of you campaign for politician, go with punish that person. Because most of you are here playing for a big club, enjoying everything. You should go back home and support one year politician. God will punish every one of you. Remember, you are celebrity of your football, not of Nigeria. People know because you are playing football. But in fact, I beg, who even they help safe? Who you help? Because you are giving 5,000 take away. You will, in fact, you will come and steal our money because there doesn't you with our money. You will steal our money and come and give us little out of the money. God will punish every one of you. Yes, God will punish you all. I don't have for the nothing to write home about. Okay, I'm still coming, sir. I will bring out the point. I'm still talking. So before I come, bring out some points, okay? So God bless you. I'm still coming. I'm still talking. I will bring out. I have some points here. Don't worry. God punish you all. That is me for you. And this is just the beginning. It's just the beginning. This battle will continue it. To Baba, to Faye, to was average P Square. Every one of you, including the movie industry, every one of you, we are watching. If you cannot team together and say, fine, we want a change country. Africans, we are watching you. Okay? So, before I go, let me give kudos to Samuel Eto'o. God bless you, sir. And kudos to Drogba. God bless you. Samuel Eto'o and Drogba, love for both of you. we respect you and we love you. My friend said I should greet Samuel Eto'o, I should greet Drogba for standing out for Africa. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. So let me bring up my point today, because I'm here to say how people make celebrity. So now let me face parents. This is my point today. If you're a father, you are a mother, please listen to this very one carefully. Because I saw a lot of parents try to copy celebrity. I will start from this. If your child are into sports, maybe he still learning how to play football. Okay. If your child is good in playing football, I will advise you, encourage him or her. But education is very important. Education is very important. That's what I told you. Don't be like them. Learn from them. Education is good. It's very important. But until your child achieve that celebrity status, don't put it into his head or into her head that is this, is that. Let them arrive before you celebrate them. Encourage them, but never put celebrity matter, celebrity things into their head. Oh, you are this, you are that. No. You are you, and God will help you to succeed without thinking to be like them. Okay, this is me for you. Number one, that's number one. Number two, if your child love acting, like I see a lot of children that have talent, yeah, and I love them. Education is the important thing in life. Encourage your child, support your child, but school education is very good. And I never allow your child to think like them. Oh, I want to be like this. I want to be like I want to be like this. I want to be like Mr. Mark, Mr. No. Just tell her, my dear, or tell him, my dear, you are very talented. In fact, there is no one like you. You don't even have you don't even have a copy. You are not there and they are not you. You are you. You learn from people. You don't try to be in their shoe, because some of the people are fake. So educate your child in the right way. The same thing, if your child know how to sing very well, and maybe you saw people like Don Jazzy, different kind of people on social media, and he's trying to copy their way, just call your daughter or your son and no, you don't copy their way. You learn from them. You have your own voice, they have their own voice. Because if you continue to be singing like Don Jazzy, you will not reign. Or you will be called Don Jazzy Junior. If you continue to be singing and recording like Tiwa Savage, you will not reign, because you will be Tiwa Savage Junior. If you continue to be singing and writing like Yemi Alade, you will not reign, or you become Yemi Alade Junior. I don't want to be junior. I want to be senior. So be on your own. Education is very important. Okay, focus on education. That talent and skill is extra. After school, they can focus on whatever they want to do. But education is very important. And above all, if you want to become a celebrity, whether old or young, respect common people. That the one that made you. Some of you be following celebrities. You are not even following your friends. You have friends on Facebook, they have Instagram page, but you will not follow them. They will follow you, you will not follow them because of pride. No, you follow your friends. If you do for me, I do for you. Celebrities, they will not follow you. In fact, they are not seeing you. Common people are the ones seeing you, are the one following you. If you want to be popular, follow your friends. Learn from your friends. Learn from each other. If your friend follow you, follow them. celebrities. Follow your friend. Don't look down on your friends. They're your friends. Before I become a presenter, start talking like this. They are my friends, and I can never neglect them. If I see a celebrity, maybe just doing presenting, is doing something, and see my friends online, I will watch my friend and leave celebrity. Maybe if I have time, extra time, maybe later I will go and look for the video and watch them. But first of all, I will focus on my friend. I want to hear what he or he is saying. I want to correct him. I want to tell you, oh no, I don't like what you are doing. It's like this, like this. Because he's my friend. I will support my friend. Okay? I will support my friend first before I go and watch any celebrity show, whatever. They know me. He's my friend. If I see, even if I don't comment, I'm there watching my friend. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for her. Oh, he's my friend. I know he's my friend on Facebook. I know him. They're just friends. I'm happy for you because you are doing great thing. Common people made celebrity. You made me, and I will made you. If you do for me, I do for you. Okay, take this home. If you want to become a popular, a famous person, focus on your friends. Follow them, like their post, comment on their post, share their post, love them. Most people show love to celebrity. Celebrity bring a picture, quick, quick, quick. Your friend will bring that picture, the picture will be there. No one will click one like. Unless I don't even see because I am very, very busy now. The day we have chance, maybe I'm just looking at everything. I will comment, I will crack joke, I will laugh. But they are my friends. I will click that like. They are my friends. They are my friends. I knew them before I knew these celebrities. They are the one that made me. Once that watch my video. When I post one video on Facebook, the first person to click on the video are my friends. Are my friends. So whatever, wherever I am today, whatever I have today, they are my friends. They are the people that made me. They are the one watching my video, watching my show. I know some famous people I thank them because some of them they called me that time and I love them. I appreciate you all. But my friends are my friends. They are my common people. We are all common people that want to make each other. Take this home. Common people make celebrity. Your friends will made you if you follow them in the right way. Follow your friend. Like your friend post. Okay? God bless every one of you. So do not allow your children compare themselves with celebrities. And you too, stop comparing your children with celebrities. Stop comparing your children with celebrities. I will talk about this in another video. Stop comparing your child with celebrities. Show they get size. All should have size. Know the size of your child. Okay? And look for help in the right place. Okay? Know the size of your child and look for help in the right place. Education is the best thing, the best thing in life. Help them to focus on education and work on their talents. And do not allow them to think, imagine, or reason like other celebrities. Because most of them are thieves, they are fake. If we want to have a good future, it is time we start doing different kind of things, good things, correcting our children, correcting our brothers and sisters to do the right thing, tell you to be doing the right thing. God bless every one of you. If you don't take anything home today, take this one home. Education is the best. I know your child is very talented, is this, but don't compare them. They are not together. Yes, we all want to be like someone, but focus on your education. Focus on your personal talent. Don't talk like them. Don't speak like them. So if you want to speak like this man or Dunade or Dunade, yeah, they want to act like him. If you act like Odunade, you will never reign. Or you be junior or Dunade. If you talk like Messi Agbe, you will not reign. You will be like junior Messi Agbe. Be yourself. Be yourself. Let your child to be yourself. Be yourself. Use your voice. Train and use your own personal voice. Have your own brand. Okay, have your own beats. If you want to write song, have your own the original thing. Without anywhere they hear or see you or see that movie, they know this movie belongs to person. But if you copy them, you will not reign. If you copy them, you will reign, but you will be second hand. If you will not even reign, because the person is reigning is maybe you not copy Don Jazzy. Oh, these boys think like Don Jazzy. Oh, do you know Don Jazzy? Don Jazzy is the one reigning, not you. If your child copy Tiwa Savage, oh, the little girl say that Tiwa Savage is the one reigning, it's not your child. So focus on education and control your child. They are or they in, you will be what the Lord says you will be. You will be the head, not the tail. And you will become what Jehovah says you will become. Every one of us, every one of you, you will become what Jehovah, the God Almighty, says you will become. Don't be like them. Don't talk like them. And finally, celebrity, please, I beg you, declare your income statement to us, to Africa, to Nigeria. We want to know the source of your money. You want to buy that hotel, to buy this kind of house, this kind of car. We want to know where this money is coming from. We want to know how much you are receiving every month, how much you are earning every month. We want to know how many years of career that can give you that kind of hotel or that kind of house or that kind of car. We want to know. Trust me, Nigeria government, they are very interested to know the statement of your income. You people are fraud. Fraud is what you are. Stop covering your face with movie, saying this one, that one. No. You are fraud. Oleni, ladrona, ladrona, sinvergüenzas, shameless celebrities. Make una take una time on social media, eh? Take your time, because people they watch you now. We made you and we can talk to you the way we like. Man, pause people for some eye. Man, pause people on eye now. Let me go. I love every one of you. Remember, I will bring out all the points one by one half later. God bless you, because I don't want to say everything here. I have a lot of things that I write about celebrities. But I'm concerned about the common people, about the children that want to be like them. All their brains, I want to be like him. I want to be like him. I want to be like him. You can't be like him. You will be what the Lord says you will be. Focus on yourself, on your ability, on your capacity, on your skills, on your personal talent, and God will lift you up. With that, we can't be like you. We will learn from you. We will collect the good one and leave the bad one with you. If you refuse to change, you can't sabi. God bless all the good people, and may God punish all the bad people. And stop showing off here. Stop showing off, showing everything. Let me go now. I love you all. I love you. Remember, stay safe. Keep social distances, and wash your hand. Remember, wash your hand. Buy the toy, soap, the toy, liquid, everything. Keep safe, and God will bless you. Don't stop praying for the world worldwide. Pray for the world worldwide. We are still praying. God will see us through. God will have mercy upon our land and heal our land. He will not allow anything to destroy us. May God protect and bless all the daughters out there. May God Almighty bless every one of you. God bless you all. Thanks for being there for all the people. For being there for us. We love you. May God bless you all. Protection and mercy, healing and deliverance upon our land. God bless you. To all the fake celebrities, may heaven expose you all. May heaven expose all your atrocity. May heaven expose all your bad deeds. May that disgrace and shame before upon every one of you. Unless you change. Unless you change from your bad ways. change from bad ways. Okay, common people made celebrities. So if you want to be made, follow common people. Stop following celebrities. Celebrities are once in a while you look at what they are posting. You look at what they are doing. Okay, fine. This is how they do it. Next time I will try my best. Hmm? But if you want to be made, just like me, follow common people. Follow your friends. Your friends. I love them. I love all my friends. I don't know come and say, this one good, this one bad, this one. I love them. Okay, I love them. These celebrities, hypertension. They will give you what they call hypertension. When they start showing their human hair, they show you their all of their borrow post, credit card, thief, don't cover you share. And then be God bless you all. So next week continue with my teaching. God bless you all. So we are in May. So because of what happened, COVID-19. So I saw so many things, but I'm trying to come back now. God bless you. God bless you all. So it is time for me to go now. Love every one of you. See you this week by the grace of God. Bye bye. Ciao, Awu people. Awu.